SQ2 Squirrel Squared.
Hi guys and welcome to Squirrel Squared.
Today we are gonna making
Onigiri. But before we do, remember to leave a like if you enjoyed this video.
Leave a comment.
And please subscribe.
Yes, please.
Please.
Should we get started?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get started. Joy behind the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
He will tell us now the ingredients that we need.
So you're going to need 1 cup of short grain sushi rice, 1.5 cups of water.
How much is it 1/2 in a cup?
It's like imagine if 1 cup was, no, a cup isn't that big. 1 cup,
Okay,
half of a
we
cup.
will figure it out.
A pinch of salt, 5 ounces of tuna, which is basically 1 can, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, ground black pepper, and 1 sheet of nori cut into 1-inch strips.
What? How much? Please, people, use centimeter and millimeter, not cup, not ounces, and not
eighth or whatever
like
that
inch.
is. Whatever
We
that
don't
is.
understand that much. These are sushi nori, also maki sushi nori.
They look like seaweed.
They are seaweed.
Do you need
Oh, they have Italian in the back.
Yay.
Alghe marine tostate. Doesn't really smell or anything, to be
No,
honest.
it actually does.
Oh, now yes. Oh my
I
gosh.
actually like that smell. It tastes kind of like fish.
That was the house of Nemo that we destroyed and put in little package to eat. So, how many grams of rice do we need?
We need 1 cup of short grain sushi rice.
Let's say 300. We use this brand, but you can actually buy any
Whatever.
brand that you want.
As long as it's rice.
As long as it's sushi rice. Before the end of the year, if possible. Almost. That's it.
Exactly 300.
Exactly 300.
One of them is only 160 grams.
Should we take how much?
It says just 1 pound of 5 ounces. So.
5 ounces. How much is a 5 ounces? Say 2. 2.
Just in case.
Just in case. Let's take out all this water.
Ugh. It looks like apple juice.
And try it.
No, thank you. Ugh.
Usually it's husband that do all this opening can. Go. We have hot water here and a couple of bowls, but you can do it in your sink. We need to wash the rice to take all the starch out until the water will be clear. Just go. And we put the water inside. You need to move a little bit the water. Don't splash it.
Do 2 hands if you have tiny hands, like me.
Yes, or even 8 hands if you're a spider. We don't discriminate.
Yeah.
Doing this, they mean that this rice will be the right consistency for the yummy onigiri. That's not so yummy.
Ugh.
We give this to Joy, and now we start again.
Rice again.
Yes, until it's completely clear.
2 hours later.
So we thoroughly washed the rice, and
Yes.
as you can see, it's now all beautifully and clean.
Yep.
And to boil it, you need to have
360 milliliters, and we put it here.
all of it.
All of it. All of this goes in a pan. You have to bring it to boil, and when it's boiling, you turn down the heat and you simmer it for 12 minutes. Let's go and do it.
A few moments later.
Now we cook the rice. It's all fluffy. Oh my gosh, this is so sticky. If there's any Japanese watching this video, whatever you are going to see and watch now, it will be so painful for you, and we are really sorry and we apologize.
So now we need to prepare the filling, which is tuna and mayonnaise. Yum.
A pinch of salt. I don't know how much is a pinch.
Pinch is just about that much. Very small amount.
And a little bit
Pepper.
black pepper.
Oh.
It should be white pepper, but we didn't have any.
It smells kind of half tuna, half mayonnaise.
Yeah, that's because it's half tuna.
I know. Seeing as this rice is super sticky. We have to use this bowl of water to wet your hands.
We take a little bit of this rice.
Ow!
It's hot. Flat it a little bit more. Like this. Now we put a little bit inside.
Can I have some, please? It's just falling apart.
Yeah, so just put it back. Take more rice and we put on top.
Oh, it's way too sticky.
We are making a big mess. It's like sticking to everything. Squeeze it. You have to push hard. Oh my gosh. Squish it.
This is very difficult.
Oh my gosh, this is so bad.
Ugh.
How hard can it be? They said.
You have to-
It will be fun, they said.
Do not buy it shop bought, they said.
You lost like half of it. Push it harder, see? You have more rice on your hand than...
Yeah, than actually on there. Ugh, it's all up my wrist.
Look at my hand.
Wow.
I'm the rice woman now.
They
2 hours
actually
later.
don't look that bad.
So now we have to take a piece of alganori, and if I saw it right, I put it like that. My first onigiri.
My first one too. They look absolutely amazing. At least that's what my mum says. And we're now going to try them.
Let's try to eat them. This is good. This is actually good. So, it was fun. If you like this video, put a like. You're eating. Leave a comment to let us know what is your favorite Japanese food, how bad we did today or how good we did today. We'll not be in the Michelin though.
No.
Nope. See you next time.
And bye.